Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2007 Honda Civic. It had some damage in the right side area right over here. And when they installed the headlights, they installed the one on the right too low. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to adjust that when we come right back. Okay, welcome back. All right, so I have to have the car running because if I'm adjusting the headlights, I don't want the battery to go dead. So here's what we have to do. So there's typically three ways that a headlight can be adjusted. There's a hole right here, and what you do with that hole is you put a screwdriver down in that hole, like so. And there's a little adjuster inside there, if you can see it. Now sometimes the hole isn't long enough, or the screwdriver is not long enough to get into the hole. And that's the case here. It doesn't fit, it doesn't go all the way down. The second way is a 10mm or 8mm bolt, and that's right in here. It's right in here. But you gotta watch out now, because now I have a running V-belt, and I don't want to, the serpentine belt, and I don't want to get hurt by that. So I am going to end up turning the car off. Alright, let's turn the car off. Keeping the lights on, just to be safe. And the third way to do it is, and this sometimes it doesn't work, but just like the other way, is with a stubby screwdriver, because that adjuster is right in there and it has a screwdriver hole. But in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to use our wrench. It's perfect. We got the 10mm on there, and then now watch, as I wrench it, it's going down. So what I need to do is adjust the wrench, and we're going to turn it the opposite direction. Stand by. All right, so as I turn, it's moving up ever so slightly. So I need it to be kind of in line. As I'm turning it, it's moving up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna make it up with the other one. That's about equal. Because as you see, the difference here between this corner and the top of the light is almost the same as that with that. So we'll see. I think we got it right. We've adjusted the headlights. Let's see. I think it needs to go. Well, it's actually pretty good. We'll do it another couple of little turns. We'll see how it turns out. All right, that looks good. Okay, so let me see how that's gonna end up turning out. Okay, let's see how that looks. I'm going backwards. And right about here is where, hold on, right at the top of my driveway, right about here where it starts to angle up. I'll show you. Okay, so I think we have done it too high now. So we'll take it down a couple of notches. See how that works? All right, we'll take it down a couple of notches and be done with it. But again, that's how you adjust your headlights if you happen to notice that they're off, or if you happen to get in an accident and you have to change out your headlight assemblies. So anyway, thanks for joining us on I Just Fix It Myself.